In this video, we will go over graphic settings and parameters for the Ultimate Door collection. Users will find all graphical adjustments as instance parameters, with the one exception being the elevation annotation. This is because not everyone follows the same standard for graphical representation of an annotation in an elevation. This simply allows the elevation annotation to flip its position for alternative graphical representation. The collection's instance parameters also allows users to graphically show doors set to be existing or set as new. These are separate parameters that are different from the phasing settings and are just used to graphically differentiate in Plan and 3D. Users will also notice that the door swing annotation is vertically offset from the floor. This is to allow users who model floor finishes separately from the finish slab to remain visible in those views without being hidden in 2D or 3D. Users can easily adjust the settings as they see fit. By default, the settings are set to 2 inches. Clearance lines are modeled as 3D elements, so they are visible in all 3D views and in 2D. These are discussed further in a separate video. Users may also notice that our families utilize model lines instead of symbolic lines. This collection also takes a step back from dictating what family objects should and should not be visible in any given view. This means in any given view, all objects are visible, and it is the firm's decision to ultimately decide what should and should not be visible in any given view. This also means we set up limited detail levels, meaning that we have not set any adjustment parameters for any graphical representations at any given view. This should be set up using the view templates and the firm's discretion. Users may ask, why not include visibility parameters to turn on and off objects for individually in a view? This method does not work for a couple reasons. First, turning off visibility turns off the visibility of an object in every view, not just for one view. Second, given the family's modeling method, this means the hidden object will no longer report inside of a schedule and affects the overall counts. Thirdly, setting up the visibility parameters knowing this will require a very detailed model and ultimately will not be user-friendly and will require extensive knowledge to modify and processing power to adjust. This is why we opted for object styles and visibility graphics to adjust all settings. Users are encouraged to set up the object styles in the library file. This ensures when importing families into a project, all presets match company standards. Inside the object styles and visibility graphic overrides, users will find that all subcategories of objects are nested under the doors category. This also means that users will need to go through each view template and adjust door family settings to match their firm standards. In the next video, we will go over tagging and scheduling doors.